There are countless photos and videos showing unidentified objects in our skies from verifiable sources that clearly show these are not misidentified balloons or airplanes. We now have evidence from advanced military monitoring equipment, plus photos and videos taken on increasingly sophisticated smartphone cameras carried by billions of people. Recently, the conversation around UFOs has shifted from speculation to serious scientific inquiry. Dr. Gary Nolan and Dr. Peter Skafish have assembled an impressive group of scientists and experts to research unidentified aerial phenomena. Other scientists, like Harvard theoretical physicist Dr. Avi Loeb, openly speculate on the topic of UFOs as the stigma fades. But what have we actually learned about UFOs over the centuries? My background in math, physics, and computer science has allowed me to assemble a surprising amount of information on UFOs. The craft demonstrating the 5 observables are so far beyond our current technology, it's like Isaac Newton trying to understand a micro SD card back in 1700. However, I will share what I've uncovered and provide updates as I learn more. First, I will start with orb UFOs. They are often described as having anti-gravity, but these must be anti-mass vehicles. The assumption is based on their ability to instantly accelerate, decelerate, and make right-angle turns while traveling at hypersonic speeds. These UAP must counter the effects of inertia on mass traveling at high speed, and not just the effects our planet's gravity exerts on them. Without some type of anti-mass field, these instantaneous maneuvers would destroy the craft and anyone inside it, just as if they had hit a wall. How they achieve this may involve blocking the effects of the Higgs boson, but energy also determines mass, so this incredibly advanced technology would require physics we haven't uncovered yet. Anti-mass vehicles still require some source of propulsion, or they would just float. Based on observations, we know their propulsion systems don't produce a heat signature like our jet engines do. Magnetohydrodynamic drives produce thrust using magnetic fields to accelerate a liquid or gas. However, these craft may be using a far more sophisticated source of thrust based on quantum electrodynamics to accelerate particles extracted from common matter. The field generation and propulsion systems are likely causing the glow from these orbs due to particle interactions releasing photons, which is well understood in quantum physics. There is evidence these vehicles are using matter extracted from magma to generate power, then dropping the depleted slag to the ground. The molten slag they drop was analyzed by Dr. Gary Nolan and found to contain normal materials from Earth mixed in an odd, random fashion. This may provide some clues regarding the process used to extract the elements they use for power. A zero-mass vehicle could reach Earth from other star systems or even other galaxies as quickly as photons do. A massless vehicle could rapidly reach the speed of light or possibly exceed it. Einstein's theory of special relativity states that an object with mass cannot be accelerated to the speed of light due to the relationship between mass and energy. This makes FTL travel unlikely, but does not rule it out. We know the speed of light can be exceeded because Cherenkov radiation is produced by photons and electrons exceeding the speed of light in a clear medium, resulting in the blue glow seen in nuclear reactors. Being able to rapidly accelerate to light speed would allow massless vehicles to travel across the galaxy almost instantly from the occupant's perspective due to relativistic time dilation. This relationship between velocity and time is also described in Einstein's theory of special relativity. We know that photons traveling at the speed of light experience no passage of time, even when traveling across billions of light years. I will provide links below for all topics covered in this discussion. Some of my future topics will include other UFO types, non-human biologics, and what is wrong with our concepts of the universe. If you would like to see more information on these topics, please like and subscribe so I know there is an interest in this.